Next topic is 4 types of physical quantity. There are basically 4 types of physical quantities to understand the dimension analysis. The first one is dimensional constant. Dimensional constant. Here these are the constant having dimensions, right? So for example, just we have calculated the value of G. G is the gravitational constant. This is constant having fixed value. Constant means having fixed value, but this is also having dimensions that we have just calculated. So this is a constant having the dimensional value. Similarly, if we talk about the universal gas constant R, right? Boltzmann constant, Planck's constant that you must have studied in your chemistry chapter also. So all these constants are, the value is constant but they have the dimensions, so that is why these are called dimensional constants. Similarly, the second quantity is dimensional variables. Dimensional variables. Variables means the values, physical quantities whose values changes. Whose values changes. So all the physical quantities whose values changes are also the dimensional variables. For example, if we are talking about the velocity, its value is not fixed for every physical quantity. If we are talking about the speed of or velocity of a car, it may change, it may accelerate, decelerate. So it is a variable, but velocity is having dimension also, that is Lt minus 1. Similarly, if we are talking about the distance, displacement, volume, any physical quantity which vary from object to object are called the dimensional or having the dimensions are called the dimensional variables. Next is dimensionless constant. Dimensionless constant. These are the constant which are not having the dimensions. For example, if we are talking about pi is 3.14 having constant value but is having not any dimensions. Similarly, any constant, any integer 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are constant but having no dimension. So that is why these are called the dimensionless constant. Similarly, if we talk about the dimensionless variable, dimensionless variable, these are the variables whose value changes but these are dimensionless. For example, angle, we know that the angle value is given by arc upon radius. Since arc is also measured in length, radius is also measured in length, so this is having no dimensions, right? Similarly, if we are talking about the strain you will read in your 7th unit, right? In this case also, strain means we will study it change in configuration upon original configuration. Since both the ratios represent the single term, so that is why, if for example if we are talking about the longitudinal strain, in this case this is change in length upon length, so both are representing the length, so again these are dimensionless. So these are variables, these vary physical quantity. Angle also varies. We know that if we are measuring the angle for any condition, situation, this can vary, but this is not having any dimension. So such kind of variables which are not having dimensions are called the dimensionless variables. So we have studied 4 physical quantities, 4 types of physical quantities: dimensional constant, dimensional variables, dimensionless constant and dimensionless variable.